What's good, YouTube? It's Rob back with another video. Yeah, I got a screen protector for the Galaxy Watch. I'm gonna do a quick installation. It's from SuperShieldz. Now, I bought this on my own. I wanted to get a screen protector. I went down to Amazon looking for one, and this seemed to have the best score of the actual screen protectors that were out. Now, this particular HD clear screen protector is for Samsung Galaxy Gear S3, the classic, the Gear 3 Frontier. It also can be used on Fossils, Q Venture Generation 3, Blue X Lynx, and Galaxy Watch. This is for 46mm faces. So, let's open it up. It is 6 in this particular pack. See what it gives you. Get a bunch of screen protectors, a whole bunch of microfiber cloths. Please support our products. We value your business and support. A little information from SuperShieldz. If I have any problems, they want me to email them. They also recommend you look at an installation video. All right, so everything has pretty much fallen out of these various envelopes. Now they give you a squeegee. I don't understand how you're going to use a squeegee unless. Okay, it fits in between the watch screen. All right, I was kind of wondering about that. No alcohol rubs or nothing. Let's check this out. Let's clean this off. Make sure your watch is powered off. Also keep one of these around to get rid of any lint. Now, there's a mask that lays on this. They want this, they don't want you to peel this off in the beginning. They want you to peel it off after the installation. Try to do my best to set it in the middle. Perfect. Boom. It'll adhere right to it. Now this isn't a tempered glass. This is like a plastic install. Let me clean this off now. Got a little nudge in there, fingerprint. Then I'm gonna power it on. It fits nicely within the screen. It's like a perfect fit. I don't understand why I would need this. Maybe when I peeled it off, what I didn't do was, maybe when I was peeling it, this was meant to help lift off the paper, but I didn't really need to do it. But if you're wondering what this is for, I'm quite sure it was for, as you peel, you kind of push the plastic away from the actual phone, leaving the screen protector intact. But as you saw with my installation, I didn't have that issue. But if you do have that issue, use this to help push off the cover for the screen protector. But again, that was pretty much it. That was pretty much an easy installation of the SuperShieldz screen protector. I'm going to test it out, see how it is. Sometimes with a screen protector, if you do have a problem, go to your settings menu, press and hold your power button. You see the little blue light right there, touch that, and turn on your touch sensitivity if you think you're having any kind of problems. But you shouldn't have any kind of problems because this is a plastic one, it's not a tempered glass, so it should feel like there's nothing actually on the actual watch itself. But if you have problems, this is how you remedy that problem. So that was pretty much it. SuperShieldz screen protector for the Galaxy Watch and a whole lot of other watches. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch everybody in the next one. See ya.